Welcome one and all. I am Miss Balwan PV from Electrical Department of Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edrao. We are studying or discussing from last 7 lectures, that is chapter number 1, single phase circuit, single phase AC circuit. Now in this lecture we have to discuss or we have to see here the different examples or problems on chapter number 1, that is single phase AC circuit. One problem we discussed in last lecture. Now the second problem from first chapter, that is depends on RL series circuit. This is the second problem of RL series circuit. A series RL circuit has following parameters: R is equal to 200 ohm, L is equal to 40. Calculate power factor of the circuit and draw the voltage diagram. What is given here, that is R means resistance 200 ohm, inductance 40 millihenry, frequency 50 hertz. Find power factor. Here we have to find power factor. So first we have to find out XL is equal to 2 pi FL, because we have to find XL and XL is necessary for to find out Z. Z is required to find out angle and angle is required to find out power factor. So what is our aim to calculate? That is power factor. To calculate power factor, this is the given data. In this, resistor is given, inductor is given and frequency is given for RL series circuit. First we have to find out XL. The formula for XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Then put the values of this 2 pi into F is equal to frequency, that is 50 hertz. So put here 50 into what is L. L is given here 40 millihenry. Convert it into Henry. Then 40 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here L is millihenry converted into Henry. So we get the value of XL after multiplication of these values. Then this is 12.56. After that, by taking this value XL, we have to find out Z. Z is equal to R plus JX. This is the formula of Z. Z is the impedance. We know the value of resistance and we know the value of X. That is X, we can take here XL because this is a RL series circuit. So here X is a XL. Then put the value of R. This is 200 plus J is imaginary part. Then put the value of XL. What is the value of XL? 12.56, which is we have calculated here. We get this value after calculation of XL. Then convert into polar form. This value of this is the equation of Z. Z is equal to 200 plus J 12.56. This is the rectangular form. Then we have to convert it into polar form to find out the angle. Then in scientific calci, there is easily we can convert rectangular form into polar form. There is an option POL in scientific calculator. Then press POL in scientific calci. After that, in bracket put the value 200 comma 12.56. Then complete the bracket and then press the equal sign. You get the value of two different values, that is R and theta. 200.39 and theta is equal to 3.59. R is equal to 200.39 39 and theta is equal to 3.59. We get directly this two values which is converted into polar form. So this value of theta put in the place of angle to calculate the power factor. Power factor is equal to cos phi. This phi value means this phi is the angle between voltage and current. Then place this angle by 3.59. This is the angle. Then power factor is equal to cos 3.59. Then we got a power factor 0.998. So power factor is lagging in RL series circuit. We see in the theoretical part of unit number 1 there is RL series circuit, RC series circuit. Then in RL series circuit there is a power factor is lagging, and in RC series circuit power factor is leading. So for this form example is RL series circuit and there is a power factor is lagging power factor. This is the phasor diagram of voltage and current. This is the reference line is voltage, angle is 3.59, and this is the current which is lagging to voltage. Third problem, a coil means inductor. A coil having resistance of 5 ohm and inductance is 0.02 Henry. It is supplied with 100 volt, 50 hertz AC supply. Determine the current taken by the coil. Also find power factor and power consumed by it. In this example, coil having resistance is given 5 ohm, then inductance is given 0.02 Henry, then supply voltage V is given 100 volt, 50 hertz is a frequency. Then we have to find here power factor PF, after that power consumed by it P, and to calculate P we have to also find the I, because P is equal to I square R. So now first we have to calculate value of XL, because to calculate Z we require the value of XL. Z is required for to calculate I, that is current. I is required for calculate power, because formula of power is I square R. So R is, we know the R value of R, but we have to calculate the I. So to calculate I, first of all we have to calculate XL. After calculating XL we got the value of Z, and after calculating Z we got the value of I, because formula of I is equal to V upon Z. After that power factor is equal to cos phi. There is a formula of cos phi is R by Z. There is also Z is required. Likewise we can calculate the or simplify the equation. So first calculate the XL. Formula of XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Then 2 pi take as it is into F is equal to frequencies 50 Hz given in the problem. Then L is equal to 0.02 Henry which is given in the example. So take this value and put into this place. Then XL is equal to, we got the answer 6.28 ohm. This is the value of XL. After that calculate the Z. Z is equal to R plus J XL. Put the value of R, that is, what is the value of R? It is given 5 ohm. And what is the value of XL? We calculate already here. Then put the value of R 5 plus J 6.28. To calculate Z, we take into square root and again make the square of R and XL. Then Z is equal to under root R square plus XL square. Square and square root are get cancelled. Remaining is R plus XL. What is the value of this? We got here Z is equal to 5 square plus 6.28 square. Then Z is equal to, we get the value Z is equal to 8.02. We got the value of Z is 8.02 ohm. After that, calculate I by taking the value of this Z. V upon Z. V is given in the example, that is 100 volt supply voltage. So take it in, place it into place of V. V is 100 divided by Z is 8.02. Then we get the value of I, that is 12.46 ampere. We got a value of I. After that, calculate power factor. Power factor is equal to cos phi. In cos phi, place the formula of cos phi, that is R by Z. Put the value of R and Z. R is equal to 5 and Z is 8.02. Then calculate this. We got a power factor 0.62. Power factor is lagging because this is a RL series circuit. After that, we have to calculate power consumed. The formula of power is I square R. The value of I is 12.46 ampere. The 12.46 this is the value of I. Make the square of this into value of R 5. We got the value of power, that is P is equal to 776.2 watt. We got the power consumed, value of power, that is 776.2 watt. Then next example, fourth example of RL series circuit. A choke coil, that means also a inductor L. A choke coil takes a current of 2.5 ampere when connected across 250 volt 50 Hz AC supply and consumed 400 watt. Then calculate power factor, resistance of coil and inductance of coil. What is the problem or example? A choke coil, that is inductor L, takes a current of 2.5 ampere. We here given a value of current, that is 2.5 ampere when connected across 250 volt 50 Hz AC supply. That means supply voltage is 250 volt, frequency 50 Hz and consumed 400 watt. Means here is 400 watt is a given consumed power. Then calculate power factor. Here we have to calculate the power factor. Then resistance of a coil, that means R. We have to find out here cos phi or power factor. After that, value of resistance, that is R, or inductance of coil, that is L. Given data is I is equal to 2.5 ampere, V is equal to 250 volt, frequency 50 Hz, power 400 watt. This is the given data and this is the data which we have to find, that is power factor, then value of resistance and value of inductor. First, here we have to find the value of cos phi, that is power factor. According to these given values, there is a formula P is equal to VI cos phi. The value of P is, we know the value of P, value of V and value of I. So we can find the cos phi. Place the value of P 400, value of V 250 volt into value of current 2.5 ampere into cos phi. Then cos phi take as it is, and after that 250 volt into 2.5 ampere divide to 400. Then we got the value of cos phi is 0.64. Then power factor is lagging because the circuit is RL series circuit. After that, find out the value of Z. The formula for Z is equal to V upon I, where voltage is given 250 volt and current is 2.5 ampere. So we got the value of Z is 100 ohm. after putting the value of Z, we can calculate the value of XL to find out L. So Z is equal to under root R square plus XL square. This formula is we are see or discussing in the theoretical part in RL series circuit. So take this formula. Z is equal to under root R square plus XL square. Then XL is equal to, we can write also likewise, XL is equal to under root Z square minus R square. Then XL is equal to, what is the value of Z? 100 square. Then value of R square 64 square. Then we get the value of XL 76.84 ohm. Then put this value into XL formula. XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Use this formula to find out the value of L. Then put the value of XL 76.84 equal to 2 pi into F is equal to frequency 50 Hz into L. Keep L as it is, and 2 pi into 50 divide to 76.84. Then we get the value of L is equal to 0.24. This is value of L. L is equal to 0.24 Henry. Now we calculate the value of power factor, that is cos phi. We have already calculated the value of L inductor, that is 0.24 Henry. Now we have to calculate the value of R. Cos phi is equal to R upon Z. So R is equal to Z into cos phi. This Z multiply here to cos phi. So R is equal to Z into cos phi. Value of Z is 100 into cos phi 0. Where is the value of cos phi here? 0.64. So Z 100 into 0.64, we get the value of R 64 ohm. Next problem is, before that 3 problems we discussed here, that is depends on, or this problem of RL series circuit. Now we see here the problem of RC series circuit. First problem of RC series circuit. The waveform of the voltage and current in a circuit are given by the equation V is equal to 150 sin omega t, I is equal to 10 sin 314 t plus pi by 4. Draw the circuit and vector diagram. Calculate frequency of supply and phase angle between the voltage and current. Given data is equation of voltage and current. V is equal to 150 sin 314 t. It is, this equation is comparing with V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is the circuit of RC series circuit. This is supply voltage V. Then V is equal, this equation is comparing with V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Then Vm is equal to, that is Vm 150. Then this is sin omega t, means there is a omega is equal to 314. The value of Vm is 150. Value of omega is 314. This is the current equation, 100 sin 314 t plus pi by 4. This equation is comparing with I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. This is the equation of current waveform of RC series circuit. Then after comparing this equation, this 100 is Im is equal to, this is value, here is printing mistake, this is the 10. In equation or in question, I is equal to 10 sin. So here I is equal to 10 sin. So Im is equal to 10 and omega is equal to 314. So calculate phi. this is the omega t plus phi. So this is omega t plus this pi by 4 is a value of phi. Phi is equal to pi by 4, that means 45 degree angle. Phi is a 45 degree angle. So we get directly here angle between voltage and current. After that, omega t is equal to 314 t. This is the value of omega 314. T get cancelled or keep at it as it is, no problem. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Place here in place of omega 2 pi f t is equal to 314 t. Here keep f as it is and this 2 pi is divided to 314 and t get cancelled. So f is equal to we get 50 hertz. Here in question we have to find out the frequency of supply and phase angle. Here directly we got a phase angle and here we calculate the frequency, and this is the vector diagram. This is reference voltage line, that is voltage is 150, angle is 45 degree, and this is the current. This is the vector diagram or phasor diagram of RC series circuit. This is second problem of RC series circuit. The voltage and current equation in AC circuit are given by V is equal to 120 sin omega t, I is equal to 2.5 sin omega t plus pi by 2. Find the RMS value of current and voltage. Also state the type of circuit and the power factor of the circuit. Here is given data is two equations, that is voltage equation and current equation, and we have to find out here RMS value of current and voltage. Also we have to find the power factor, and yes, we have to state the type of circuit. So first given data is voltage equation. V is equal to 120 sin omega t. Comparing this equation with V is equal to Vm sin omega t, Vm is equal to 120 and omega t as it is, take here, we got a Vm is equal to 120. So here is equation of I, 2.5 sin omega t plus pi by 2. Then comparing with this equation to I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. Here Im is equal to 2.5 ampere and phi, this is Im and this is phi. Phi is equal to pi by 2. Then we have to find here RMS value of voltage and current. So VRMS, formula for VRMS is equal to Vm upon root 2. So place the value of Vm. Vm is equal to 220 upon root 2. We got the VRMS value of VRMS, that is 84.85 volt. After that we have to calculate IRMS, RMS value of current. This is RMS value of voltage. IRMS is equal to Im means maximum current, Vm means maximum voltage. So IRMS is equal to Im upon root 2. Im is equal to 2.5. This is Im 2.5 divided by root 2. IRMS is equal to 1.76 ampere. We got the RMS value of voltage and current. After that, current leads voltage by 90 degree. Angle phi is equal to pi by 2 means 90 degree. So current lead voltage by 90 degree. So circuit is purely capacitive circuit. Purely capacitive circuit or RC circuit is a leading power factor. For RC series circuit there is a leading power factor, but here angle is phi is 90 degree. So current is leading to voltage by 90 degree. That means this is a purely capacitive circuit, and here power factor is equal to cos phi. Cos 90 is 0. So power factor 0 means that is unity power factor. Thank you. This is the problems on unit number first on RL series circuit and RC series circuit.